So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix your problem of your Viber not opening on your Windows. So the first thing you can do is after installing Viber, right click on Viber. After right clicking on Viber, this thing opens up. Now over here, you can click on run as administration and click on yes. After doing this, your Viber should open. But if your Viber still doesn't open, then the other thing you can do is right click on Viber and then click on troubleshoot compatibility. Click on troubleshoot compatibility and now Windows will detect why this app is not opening. Now over here, you can click on try recommended setting and click on test the program, wait for some time, and your Viber should open. And if it still doesn't open, then it might be because of your older Windows version, so make sure Windows is up to date. So for that, click on the setting over here and go to your Windows setting. So let me go to my computer setting. After you go on setting, you can click on update and security, and on update and security, you can click on update. Over here, as you guys can see, there's a new update on my Windows, so I can click on download, and then my Windows will be downloaded, and after downloading and installing the new Windows update, restart your PC and your Viber should open. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And yeah, the last option is if none of these work, then just delete Viber and install again. Because if the problem is caused by some corrupted file, then deleting it and installing it again can fix it. So that's the last option as well.